911 Emergency Dispatcher 8876.
Hey, good afternoon, ma'am. I'm seeing an individual being kind of erratic outside of the vehicle, and I just noticed it might have been a rifle in the middle of a tire. He's like carrying a tire, empty tire, and then he had like the rifle inside of the tire, carrying the tire around. He's currently outside of the vehicle.
Can you still hear him yelling?
Yeah.
You still can't make out what he's saying, though?
No, just something about a bicycle. Someone just walked by drove by on a bicycle.
Okay.
And that's it. He's talking to that guy. Yeah. So that's a real gun. Now he's got a gun on him, and he
is it out now?
Yeah. So not longer the rifle. He did fire a shot.
Okay, I thought that's what I heard. All right, one shot fired in the background.
And he's arguing with a guy on a bicycle right now. He just kicked the bicycle. He pointed the weapon at him.
Okay. Did he shoot the gun up in the air, or did he shoot it at the guy he's arguing with?
No, he shoot it at the ground.
Is it good? Yeah, hey, get over here. Oh, stop. He's right here? Stay over here on the side.
Hey, if I was you, I'll go to that little park. Hey, to the little park.
Where's he going right now?
It's right there in the middle of the little park.
Within park?
You can creep up on it, bam.
All right.
And if you take it away from him, keep it.
Hey, he's heading southbound, right? He's heading that way?
Oh, he's right there, but I saw that over there.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. Did you guys hit with the signals? Is that okay? Or?
Yeah, all right. Stay right here, dude. Stay right here. Okay?
It's right here, right here. Pointing at me.
It's pointing at you? Hey, it's pointing at him right now. It's pointing at him. It's pointing at him right now.
Pointing at who?
It's pointing at him right now.
Where?
Right here, down the brick wall.
Hey, San Diego Police! You in the black! Stop! Drop the gun!
Got him on camera.
Can you send a description of the white truck, please?
Transition northbound along the 5 freeway. Older F-150, white color, white camper shell.
That tailgate is open.
Check 424, will you be
Hey, we can trust 97. We'll call it. Looks like he's trying to use all lanes of traffic, kind of drifting around. Speeds are probably around 80, and we're north of Coronado now, still northbound 5, coming up to Palm.
That's a Coronado on the 510-4.
Here using the left shoulder. Now he's all the way to the far right lane as we come up to Palomar Street. His left hand appears to be out the window for now, but we have not been able to identify any kind of weapon or anything in his hands.
Ran eastbound CME.
There's an SDS cruiser right in front of us. He's trying to catch brake technical.
Another call on the vehicle on the embankment out.
Let's do what's your designator?
Until she gets it towed.
We're at Venpie 1 right now. We're sitting at the designator. We're going to run to the people.
I slowed down again. Looks like he's trying to get into the far right lanes, coming up to the 94.
21 spike set up at the 5 and India.
Have them block all lanes in case he turns around.
Alright, block all lanes, guys. So he's pretty much sideways on the freeway right now. They're in a modified hot stop, and he's still very mobile, so just use caution.
Sideways on the freeway. What about hot stop?
Alright, at the 2029, a turn left of Bravo 9, contact ground. Bravo 9, ground United 20.
Is there already a dog up there?
Officers, watch your backdrop with the 5 South.
823 Sam, so we have a contact team. I need to make sure that we at least have 2 officers in a vehicle in case he takes off again.
And well, looks like he might take off here. He just reversed, and he's reversing towards you guys' position.
Towards unit.
Routes turn off your sirens.
3.5 miles southeast of your position.
We'll continue the pursuit.
Alright, we're back northbound on the 5 here as we pass the 94. And it looks like he's getting into the far right lane, so units are going to need to take the exit there for B Street. Alright, eastbound on E. Edward.
3383 on Zulu 27.
Eastbound E. Edward.
Go 33.
And he'll be coming up to, looks like 26th here shortly. Again, let's try and get some spikes as we move eastbound here on E as in Edward. Alright, southbound here on 26th.
South on 26, need to take spikes. Eastbound.
Alright, TC with a unit here. It's on 26th in between. Standby. He's going into a residence. 820-26. We do not have eyes on, guys.
Went into the residence after TC with the unit. South on 26, need to take spikes. Eastbound.
TC with a unit here. It's on 26th in between.
Hey, I got my dog! I got my dog! I got my dog! Hey, dog up! Dog up! Got it. You got cover? Cover me. I'm right here. Don't fucking move! We're getting in our children for my day on Avenue. Don't fucking move! Get your hands out the fucking window! Don't fucking move! Hey, come over here. Hey, yep. Hey. Watch your gun! Start CPR, guys. I mean,